Diane Hathaway is officially retired as a justice of Michigan's Supreme Court, and tomorrow she could face a federal judge on bank fraud charges. This follows a 7 Action News investigation into questionable real estate deals that saved Hathaway and her husband more than $500,000. Right now, 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is in the newsroom. Jim, she apparently cut a plea deal here, so what are we talking about?
Joanne, we're talking about prison time, possibly a couple of years. Get this, the maximum is 30 years. Also on the line is her pension. Could she lose it? Experts say not likely.
She robbed a bank with a pen rather than a gun.
Well, the old saying is the best way to rob a bank is to work for it or apply for a loan.
Diane Hathaway's bank fraud charge mirrors what 7 Action News first reported, that Hathaway told her lender, ING Direct, that she could no longer afford to pay for this home on Lake St. Clair in Grosse Pointe and wanted a short sale. The feds say she committed fraud by transferring ownership in 2 other homes, including this one in Florida, to her stepdaughter and another in the Grosse Pointes to a stepson. That saved Hathaway $600,000. Hathaway was a Wayne County judge before running for and getting elected to the Michigan Supreme Court.
I taught real estate law.
That was during her campaign for high court. She also had a real estate broker's license. With a plea deal, she could face a couple of years in prison or get probation.
It looks like you're cutting a judge a lot of slack when she got a deal that many people in our area can't get, and that's a short sale. And do you really give her the benefit of the doubt?
As a judge, Hathaway earned $140,000 a year. Her pay went up to $165,000 a year as a state Supreme Court justice. At 58, with her retirement today, she is entitled to a pension.
Because it didn't involve her office, that it would be difficult to strip her of her pension benefits simply because she earned them and earned them long before this whole issue came up just in the last year or two.
Yeah.
Now, her attorney, Steve Fishman, did not return our call today for comment. As we've shown you, she did not do these deals alone. So why is she the only one listed as the defendant in these charges? We will examine that next hour right here at 6. Jeff?
Okay, Jim, look forward to that. Thank you. Well, the governor is looking to fill Judge Hathaway's Supreme Court spot. Governor Snyder is talking to people on and off the bench about potential candidates. Last year, a task force recommended a panel to name the candidates, but the governor says he doesn't have time for a panel after Hathaway's quick departure.